So in this lesson we are going to talk about text formatting. Okay, as you see, we have this P here. We are going to work with P a lot. Okay, paragraphs, because most of the writings in the page are paragraphs. You can actually leave them in here without, say, like putting it in any tag, like I am learning web development. Now I refresh this and I see here I am learning web development. Okay, it shows all right, but the disadvantage is you can't style it, you can't do anything to it. So this is not, this is not approved. Okay, you don't do this not normal. So you put them in a P tag, you can put them in a div tag. We talk about all of them as we move on. So we wrap them in something. Check. So here we have this P, hello world here. Let me do it like this so that it looks nicer. Shit. So here I'm going to show you a basic thing over here. I'm just spacing it enough. We can have this ID and then say paragraph 1. Paragraph my spelling to times. Hey. Okay. And then we can have style. And when you see style, please take a good look at the format. Okay, style, and I'll say font. No, I'll just say color. Look at the spelling of color, and I'll say red. So I come here, I refresh the page, and I'll see hello world in red. Okay, now what this means is this ID is simply giving this paragraph an identity so that we can identify this particular element from other elements on the web page. So we style it red and then we put a semicolon behind. Okay, you can go ahead and say font size 20 px, and then I do this, refresh it, and you see it's a little bigger. You can even say 50 px, refresh it, and then it is, you see, so you can give it a much bigger font size. You can do a lot of things here. So this is styling. Okay, now these are part of the attribute. Okay, this is the name of the tag, and then these are the attributes. Okay, this element, so this ID and then this style are all attributes of this P tag, and these things span across almost all HTML elements. Okay, we can even say font what is a font style, and then say italics. Let's see if it will work. So yes, font style italics. You see, so you can do almost everything you want over here. So this is talking about attributes. Let's look at another thing. Text decoration, and if I can see underline. When I choose underline, you can see here this thing has been underlined. Okay, and I can, instead of underline, I can say strike through. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, let me, and I'm explaining here. Let me just use overline. So overline, you see the line on top, and the line C is here. Strike 2 should cancel this out, but it's a different thing. So if you want to strike through a text, you just use delete and say this has been cancelled. So you refresh the page over here and you see this has been cancelled. Okay, yeah. So this is del delete that has been deleted, but it's actually on the web page. So that's about attribute. And then text formatting, you can do a whole lot of things to this. Okay, you can do a whole lot of things to this p element here, other than just underlining it and changing font color. You can even say font weight, and I'll say bolder. You have bold, you have bolder, or you can set a number. So you refresh it and you see it's much heavier. When we inspect it over here, so we click on this and check, you can see the properties or the attributes over here. You can see the color red, the ID paragraph 1, the margins, the font size 50px, okay, and whatever footnote. I know. So that's all about attributes. We talk about measurement in the next video.